What's going on, guys? Another episode of Sean's Pond. I'm here with the wife today. We just stopped at Wawa. We got gas in our boat in the back. We just got a new 6 horsepower hangkai. So we're gonna go test it out because next month we're gonna go down to the Everglades. We brought our 360 GoPro, so we're gonna put y'all in the back of the boat and show y'all how it goes. Alright, so here we are. We're at the boat launch. It's called Huron Boat Launch down here in Florida. Got our bass boat, got the seats in the back of the truck. This is our little hangkai motor I was telling y'all about. 6 horsepower hangkai. It's pretty much a lawnmower engine. So we're gonna see how it goes. Of course we get out here and it's raining, but my buddy Trent always says the fish ain't getting no wetter. So we're gonna go out here and see what happens. I mean, pretty day other than that though. Not too cold, I think it's like 50, 52. So we'll hide under the bridge, fish under there for a little while, and hopefully the rain blows through. See if she starts up.
See that?
Had to show my camera. Little baby bass.
You're supposed to tell me when you switch bait, I'll tell you that.
What are you using?
Sean,
What?
you're supposed to tell me when you switch bait.
I can't tell you everything.
It's a little feather.
A little a little feather, he
I
said.
gave you all my secrets. I ain't using shrimp. Going good, man. How y'all been? Yeah, we just put in right there at Haran Boat Launch. Nice.
Oh, redfish.
Yeah, that's what I was telling him. I used to fish here
Did you hear
a
that?
few years back.
You caught a
Man, you catch
redfish
anything in the end.
earlier, yeah.
Y'all catch the naked guy on the dock? What? He got stories, don't he?
Anything cold. Oh, yeah. And what's that supposed to be? That's the pump? Oh, okay. It was on there, right? It's just...
All right, so we're out here on the water. Let me give y'all a tour. We got our Minn Kota mounted up front, a little plug in. We got our Garmin 94 UHD with the side scan. Then we got a little battery box and everything there. Got our lights ready. And then over here, we got our Wawa sandwich. Can't leave the house without that. But we got our live well going. Pump works great, all brand new. Got the Go pole in the back with the wife. Got our new motor. And we're fishing.
Fishing charm.
Back with the wife.
And your fishing
Got our new
charm.
motor. And we're fishing.
Fishing charm.
I already caught a fish.
I keep a balance.
I already caught a
You would
fish.
have caught two.
Yeah.
I had a nibble, but he let it go.
Mm.
You throw it right back.
Mm.
Oh, now I'm stuck. Oh, nope, good.
I haven't had a nibble, a bite since I got my boat.
Since I got my boat.
No, you did have a nibble. When we fished last time. You yoinked it, though.
You gotta remember to just be patient.
It's true.
Oh.
Wait on it. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Good work.
Ooh, a good bass, too.
Right there on the camera, too. Remember to leave line out.
Yep, bring your up here. Thank you.
Good
She's
work.
not swimming to the things. Come to the boat, yes.
Easy enough.
Literally. Go ahead and tire yourself out.
They're huge.
Not huge, but good size.
Try to get them to the side of the boat.
Yeah.
You looking?
Maybe.
You got a good hook set, too. Right there.
Oh, I do. Haha. Hey, slow down, buddy.
Now
Nice.
she does it.
Hey. Nice.
Go ahead and grab him.
Damn, he got some sharp teeth.
Yeah. You've been eating crawfish and stuff.
Oh, I should try the crawfish out. Well, I guess the worm worked.
Yeah, we're cooking.
Took long enough. Sorry, buddy. Hang on. Get out of there.
My boat's reverse is so funny now. You got it?
Kinda.
Here, you want to trade with me?
Yeah. Give her a little wiggle, wiggle. Yeah. Bye bye. Yeah.
Sweet.
I knew something was over there.
Hell
yeah.
Mark that on the camera.
Sean, you got any games in particular?
Hey, keep the line tight though. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. Alright, go, Kenny. Let's go. Look at that.
Oh, snap.
Papa G got his first fish in the boat.
Okay.
That was an accident, big boy. I was talking, I didn't even know.
That's how they come. They catch you when you're sleeping.
Heck
That's
yeah.
how they come, man.
Nice.
That's a big mouth bass, huh?
Yeah, largemouth.
Aren't you, daddy?
Here, hang on. Let me get the hook out. I can get a picture. Hang on. Alright.
Nice.
You ready? 3,
Yep.
2, 1. Boom. Gotcha.
Hey.
Yeah, I'll AI it. Yeah, we'll ask AI to stretch it. Oh no, it looks like a tree fell down across our path here.
Oh, damn.
Nice work, Papa G.
Very cool. Look, now we're entering bass territory.
Yeah, 100%.
What got me one?
You did.
The way you was farting around with it, I thought it was a big one.
Was pulling me.
Yeah, it was. Pulled y'all into the grass, and I was like, dang. She was hung up back there, so you got to get that out. We got to go help
And
her.
I was like, yeah.
That was fun.
Welcome.
Yay, you finally caught one. Yeah. That makes me so excited.
I'm a spinnerbait, too.
The curse has been broken, Papa G.
Yeah, right.
You just had to come out here in the rain. They wanted you to work. I'm going to zoom that way.